If you've been seeing those long ads promising a secret gelatin recipe that melts fat and stabilizes blood sugar overnight, you're not alone, and today we're breaking down whether GlycoLean Drops are actually legit or just another overhyped funnel. GlycoLean is heavily promoted through Facebook and YouTube ads that tease a simple kitchen hack, but instead of clearly showing any real recipe, viewers are pulled into an extended sales presentation filled with dramatic warnings about a hidden toxin in a so-called breakthrough protein named gluco-4. Here's the issue. There's no recognized medical evidence supporting the existence of this gluco-4 protein in mainstream scientific literature, and the presentation leans heavily on iStyle doctor clips and deepfake-like testimonials that resemble TV health personalities without verifiable credentials. The funnel also uses classic pressure tactics countdown timers, bulk discounts, inflated 4.9-star ratings with no trusted third-party verification, and claims about being made in an FDA-approved facility, which sounds official but does not mean the product itself is FDA-approved. There are no published clinical trials on the finished GlycoLean formula, and some buyers have reported billing confusion and difficulty obtaining refunds. At the same time, the supplement market itself isn't automatically a scam. Many products contain common ingredients aimed at metabolism or glucose support, but the marketing strategy here raises serious transparency concerns. Based on everything presented, GlycoLean does not appear to be a verified medical breakthrough. Instead, it looks like a high-pressure supplement funnel built around exaggerated science and emotional persuasion. If you're considering it, do independent research. Consult a qualified healthcare professional and avoid making decisions based purely on dramatic ad storytelling.